Surat Ad-Dukhan, chapter of smoke. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate. Hamim, by the book that makes clear, verily we have been warning. Verily we have sent it down on a blessed night, in which is separated out each wise affair of an affair from us. Verily we have been sending messengers as a mercy from thy Lord. Verily he is the hearer, the knower, Lord of the heavens and the earth, and what is between them. If ye be convinced, there is no God but he who bringeth to life and causeth to die, your Lord and the Lord of your fathers of olden time. Nay, they are in doubt, playing about. So wait for the day on which the heaven will produce a smoke manifest, which will cover the people. This is a punishment painful. O our Lord, lift from off us the punishment. Lo, we are believers. How have they got the reminder, seeing there came to them a messenger manifest, and they then turned from him and said, one coached up, a man possessed. Lo, we are lifting off the punishment a little. Lo, ye are doing the same again. The day on which we shall make the great attack, verily we are going to take vengeance. Assuredly before them we tried the people of Pharaoh, and there came to them a messenger, noble. Deliver up to me the servants of Allah. Lo, I am to you a messenger trusty, and be not high against Allah. Lo, I come to you with authorization manifest. I take refuge with my Lord and your Lord against your stoning me. And if ye do not give credence to me, withdraw from me. So he called upon his Lord. These are people sinful. So set out by night with my servants. Lo, ye are going to be followed. And leave the sea gaping wide. Lo, they are an army to be drowned. They left how many gardens and springs, fields and a position noble, and prosperity in which they used to enjoy themselves. So it was, and we caused to inherit them another people. Neither the heaven nor the earth wept for them, nor were they respited. Assuredly, we rescued the children of Israel from the punishment. Humiliating from Pharaoh, lo, he was high, one of the extravagant, and we chose them on the basis of knowledge above the worlds, and gave them such signs as constituted an experience manifest. Lo, these say, there's only our first death, and we are not going to be roused. Produce our fathers, if ye speak the truth. Are they better? Are the people of Tuba and those before them whom we destroyed? Verily, they were the sinners. We did not create the heavens and the earth, and what is between them in play. We created them only with the truth, but most of them have no knowledge. Lo, the day of distinction is their rendezvous, all of them, a day when a patron will not avail a client at all, and they will not be helped except those upon whom Allah has had mercy. Verily, he is the sublime, the compassionate. Lo, the tree of Zaqqum, the stifling, choking, like a cold thing, is the food of the guilty, like molten metal, boiling in the belly, as boils hot water. Take him and heave him into the midst of the blaze, then pour over his head some of the punishment of hot water. Taste, and thou art sublime, the noble. This is what ye have been casting down upon. Lo, the pious are in a position secure among the gardens and springs, wearing silken brocade, facing each other. So it is, and we have paired them with dark, wide-eyed maidens, calling therein for every kind of fruit in security. Therein they taste not of death, except the first death, and he has preserved them from the punishment of the blaze. A bounty from thy Lord. That is the great success. We have made it available in thy tongue, mayhap they will be reminded. So lie wait. Lo, they are lying wait. And so right to left is the order in which you read Semitic languages. Is there an exception? And so they've gone from the good to the bad. Their past was good, but then, you know, they moved towards something that wasn't. They treated him as possessed, but that wasn't the case. So that from the left, because people get all this overly right and left stuff. But no, this is the side of God. So that's why people may give that chapter the left side of the cube.